All right, guys, this is the last video of my quarantine here. So I will be back in school next week on Tuesday because we have a long weekend, no school on Monday. So this will be a short video. I just wanted to give you an intro to the assignment you'll work on today, trying to get more practice in with solving inequalities. But then once I'm back, we'll get to do some in-person practice and chat a little bit about next week. So first thing I want you to do today is your end of week check-in. Please make sure you complete that just like we normally do. It'll just be a Google Doc, so you'll see it in the assignment. And then there's actually a quick activity on this slide here, just 4 questions titled Elevator. You can write those down on a piece of paper and then turn them in person. I'll get them when I return. And then the last thing is this solving and graphing two-step inequalities. So I wanted to take a look at this with you guys and actually do the first problem just to give you a feel for what it looks like. We're really trying to get used to solving and graphing, not just one step, but two-step inequalities. So I'll start with the first one. Just like we usually did with equations, I'm going to draw a line down the middle and solve it as if that was an equal sign, really. So I would subtract the 3 from both sides, because I can't touch that x right now because it's being divided by 2. So I need to get rid of that plus 3 first. So then this goes away, and I have x over 2 is greater than 6. Now I didn't flip the sign because I did not multiply or divide by a negative. All I did was subtract 3 so far. Now I'm going to need to multiply by 2 on both sides. And then I'm running out of room, so I'm going to put it over here. But I end up with x greater than 12. So I didn't flip the sign because I didn't multiply by a negative 2. I multiplied by a positive 2. So my final solution is this. If I went back in and tested it out, my solution would be correct. So when I'm graphing it, I got some questions about, do I graph the top one? Do I graph the solution? You're graphing your solution. This is why we practiced graphing regular inequalities just like this in the beginning. So I would put my open circle on 12, and I want everything greater than 12. So just like that. Now let's see if we can find one where I would have to use a negative. I don't know if they have any of those in here, but we'll get to some more practice where you have to multiply or divide by a negative and flip the sign, but it looks like in this particular worksheet, they don't have any of those. So keep that in mind as you're working on this. Hopefully that first problem gave you a good start. I'll leave my notes in there so when you guys get this assigned, you'll see that first problem already done. So don't even worry about it. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Let me go to the homework, make sure we're all good. You don't have any homework this weekend, but I am going to be giving you guys a quiz. Not the day I come back, that'd be crazy, but either Wednesday or Thursday. It'll be very short. Just want to make sure that we're good with inequalities so we can move forward. So with that, I hope you guys have a great weekend, a long weekend. Enjoy your Monday off, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday.